I'm excited. I have to share, I just got another commission for Benable, and it was on this cute snail task lamp. It's adorable. It's through Anthropology, and I love it. But this is the first sale in like 2 weeks. So that's what's got me posting more than just my normal commission post. What am I doing to try and get sales back and things like that? For me, last night I put out my newsletter, and it gets put out yesterday and today. So those of you that go in and get the free guide get put onto my newsletter. It is so helpful. I do it once a month. So it spans 2 days, once a month. It's free for me to use through Brevo. And that's how I try to leverage at least once a month getting clicks. Now, that particular list, it is not in my newsletter, which means that when you guys go and click any of my lists, it creates more traffic on my page and shows up more often to other people who might purchase and, take some kind of clicking and action on my Benable page. Have I increased posting about Benable? Actually, no. I probably have posted less because I'm not putting out more Benable commissions every time that I get a Benable sale. Now, I, in particular, average about 3 to 6 days in between sales. However, there are times like this where it's 2 weeks and I'm freaking out, trying to figure it all out, trying to be more active on the platform, being like, what is going on? It happened once last year where I was out of commissions for 30 days and I contacted them and I was like, what is going on? And they said it's all automated. And so fingers crossed, but all I can really do is go in, interact more, and try to show up more in different places. This month, that was my newsletter. And my newsletter is so valuable because it shows my new lists. It also shows some tips and pointers on Benable. I also feel like January, February, because this happened last year in January, where it was 30 days. I feel like the buyer season right after the holidays is really, really low. And so it's that, right? But 2, they're really quiet in January and February, trying to re-up. And I think there's a lot of momentum potential coming in March because they've been so quiet. They're working on things. So, I don't know, fingers crossed. What have you guys been experiencing, and have you grabbed the free guide yet?